This is the sequence to success. This is the very first video, part 1, and we're talking about the things that make people successful. Yes, there is a sequence. There's 3 words that I want you to write down right now. I want you to think about these 3 words: optimism, creativity, and systems. You see, those are words that are very important to you if you want to have a breakthrough in your life. If you've ever been frustrated with something, if you've ever not gotten the results that you were hoping to get, you know it's something that's important, but no matter what you tried, it just didn't work. Well, in order to have a breakthrough, you have to have these 3 words in your life, and they have to come in a sequence. You see, when most people, when they look at a problem, they approach it like they always have, right? It's either work, harder, doing the same things over and over again, or once that fails, they give up and they run away. Right? It's that old fight or flight mode. I'm going to keep fighting until I get it, or I give up, I'm running. That's the way our brain is wired when we get into trouble, when fear enters our life. It's the way that we're engineered. The challenge is when we're in that frustration mode, that anger mode, there's only 2 options: keep doing what we've been doing or give up. This is why the sequence is so important. You see, if we focus on systems first, then we don't have any creativity, we don't have any new solutions. So we know that's not the first word in the sequence. Or what about creativity? Well, the reality is that if we're in a negative mindset, if we're frustrated, if we're angry, it's hard to think of new ideas because all we can think of is work harder or give up. But if we focus on optimism first, optimism changes everything. You see, because when we're optimistic, all the ideas start flowing. Creativity actually gets unleashed. So if you're ever stuck in a problem and you want to go to the next level, just understand this. There's a sequence to success. And the first thing you need to do is to work on your optimism. What are the things that you can read and listen to? The people you can associate. Who can you call and give an upbeat message to? Because when you send out an upbeat message, guess who gets the most inspired most of the time? You do. Focus on optimism first because it unleashes the creativity, which then allows you to put the new things in the system that'll change everything. I want you to make sure that you attend our next session when we talk about in success, the sequence of success part 2, when we talk about how optimism unleashes creativity, because we're going to be focusing on creativity. Make sure that you take advantage of our free resources, our Ziglar Show podcast, and all the things that we offer. And I look forward to seeing you next time on the Success Sequence.